Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your headphones Philips to the application. So firstly we should pair these headphones with a phone, open settings and go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and now, right here, near to the right headphone, we have this power button. Press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now, click on it at the device list, and we pair them. Now hide the settings and open the application. OK, and now we should find our headphones here. This one is our headphones, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!